Welcome to ThermoSphere HQ in Marden, Kent. We're proud to be a great British manufacturer and are delighted to give you a sneak peek at the processes that go into creating our electric underfloor heating, all designed, made and distributed from the heart of Kent. To kick things off, we need to select which mesh we're planning to build. In this example, we're going to produce our 150 watt per metre squared mesh system. Our twisted twin cable is carefully produced under strict quality control, and its design means work stress on the cable is minimised, giving you a longer lasting and more reliable heating system. Next, the mesh and tape are loaded into the machine. We then test a short run, ensuring alignment is spot on and make any adjustments if necessary. Once everything is set up, we load the cable into the machine and set the program based on credentials of the mat being produced. We produce a short run to confirm the alignment and the mat output meets our expected high standards. Once approved, the mats go into full production, running onto the master spool. For the next part of the process, we take the master spool to the cutting bench, which, as you might have guessed, is where the mats are cut to the required lengths. Before any cutting takes place, the mats are visually inspected to guarantee no defects have occurred during the machine processing. The mats are then cut to length, rolled and labelled to show they've met our first quality check and can go to the termination process. The next steps are to complete the end termination of the newly produced mat. This consists of stripping and soldering the conductors before insulating them with a glue-lined heat shrink sleeve. The earth and drain wire is then realigned over the sealed conductor joint. The completed joint is then heat sealed with an additional heat shrink sleeve seal over all the cable elements for complete protection. We then add the cold towel. This is built with a rectangular cross section to keep floor build up to a minimum and ensure it lays flat. This is machine cut and stripped to maintain quality at the highest level and ensure the same perfect result every time. The heating cable is then connected to the cold towel by machine crimping to ensure a consistent and accurate connection, and heat sealed at 300 degrees, ensuring complete protection. The next step is testing. 100% of our mats are tested to 2500 volts. That's over the UK standard regulation, as we want to ensure you're given the best product for the best job. Our rigorous testing gives you peace of mind when you're installing our products. We're often asked why we test 100% of our mats. We want you to receive excellence, and we accept nothing less. We run one final visual quality check, making sure we're happy you won't have any issues on the job. That's it. The mats are then packed into our recycling packaging and labelled. They're then packed and distributed to you via your nearest retailer. So there you have it. Reliable and innovative electric underfloor heating, designed and made in Great Britain.